excited for the chair? Are you excited for the chair? Are you excited for the chair? Are you gonna sleep on it? Now here we go again. Did you see the video of the cholo guy on a skateboard drinking cranberry juice? Listening to Fleetwood Mac? Now here we go again. You said you want your freedom. Better wear mine. It's
not even Cholo, it's not even Cholo, I believe it's Native American.
Oh, he's Native American?
Yeah.
I thought he was Chicano.
Oh, there we go. I didn't see these info. Okay.
We're putting the last
What we do
touches
is
on
take
this.
Oh, hold on. Flip it. Like that.
This is the final product. Look how cute she is. With the little kitty cat paw. Meow, 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 meow. I freaking love it. She is so sexy. Huge shout out to my boyfriend for helping me assemble this. It was actually really easy, guys. Like, anyone can do it, really. But I'm just lazy and I like getting help from others whenever I can. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. We had a lot of fun putting it together and it's freaking cute. Like, it's pink. It's pink and it has a kitty cat paw. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. You can catch me probably streaming. We'll see how that goes. I'm not the best, but I will try. Alright, and then I'll keep you updated on how this room turns out because I'm like really starting to fix it up. And why not? So yeah. See you guys later. Bye.